Everyone. Today we've got a deep dive into the Hyosung GT250R. We'll look at what it offers, how it performs, what the real-world trade-offs are, and whether it makes sense, especially here in Pakistan, for you. Let's get into the details. First up, what is the GT250R exactly? The GT250R is a sport bike from South Korea's Hyosung brand. It's part of their GT range and specifically the R version, meaning it's the fully fared sport model. According to specifications, it uses a 249 cubic centimeters V-twin, 75 degrees angle, DOHC engine, from Wikipedia. It was produced roughly from 2001 to 2016 under the GT250/GT250R badge. So although it's not a current new machine in many markets, it still turns heads and remains available in used form. From a styling and presence standpoint, the GT250R punches above its class. Many reviewers say it looks like a big bike despite its 250 cubic centimeters size. For example, one review noted that the styling, fairings, and full sport position give it real appeal. That is one of its key attractions. You get the aesthetics of a bigger machine, the twin-cylinder sound, rather than typical single-cylinder 250s, and the sport bike feel. Now let's break it down in several parts: engine and performance, chassis and handling, comfort and practicality, pricing and ownership cost, and then a summary verdict for the Pakistani market. Engine and performance. As noted, the GT250R uses a 249 cubic centimeters V-twin engine. According to one source, the bike makes around 30 horsepower at 10,500 revolutions per minute. Another source gives about 28 brake horsepower at 10,000 revolutions per minute and about 22 Nm torque at 8,000 revolutions per minute. So performance-wise, for a 250 cubic centimeters bike, it is competitive though not class-leading if you compare to modern 300 to 400 cubic centimeters machines. In real-world terms, this means it will easily handle city riding, day-to-day commuting, weekend rides, and even sporty twisty road touring if you like. But you should also have realistic expectations. It is not going to match a 600 cubic centimeter sport bike in acceleration or outright top speed. For example, the Wikipedia page lists top speed 110 mph, is almost equal to 177 km per hour, but many real-world riders quote less. One user review summarized: "LOL, that thing makes 32 horsepower at 10k RPM, it's about the same weight as a ZX25R but with 10 horsepower less." That tells you the key trade-off: decent power, but on the heavier side, for its engine size, compared with some rivals. The engine character is commented on. The V-twin gives a different feel from a single-sill or even inline twin-sill. Many riders enjoy the twin-cylinder rumble, smoother secondary harmonics, and the big bike feel. One review put it clearly: the GT250R feels like a big bike, in size and presence. So if you're after feel and presence, this is one of its strengths. Chassis, handling and ergonomics. Moving on to chassis and handling. According to specs, the GT250R uses a twin-spar steel frame, and features upside-down forks, 51 mm, and a monoshock rear. Seat height is fairly tall, around 830 mm in some specs. Full fairing sport biker.